Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love me light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now.
So for our plant-based salmon, I'm just going to season it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking this is just some sea salt, Sriracha, and then I'm also going to be taking some plant-based mayonnaise to make a spicy mayo. I'm going to be taking a little bit of our chili crunch oil. Now we're going to be making the actual taco shell, and for the taco shell we're going to be needing some seaweed sheets, and then I'm also going to be taking some rice paper sheets, and then we're going to batter this and fry them, and that's going to create our taco shell. I'm like going to cut it into a nice circle. And kind of just make them be more uniform. And rice paper needs to be rehydrated, so you just want to place it in a bowl or on a plate with a little bit of water. Let it sit on both sides for a few seconds, and then it will become hydrated. Cut off that excess rice paper that's just hanging. You could leave a little bit because this is going to give it that really nice crisp, but we want to get rid of all that. And you're going to do your dry batter here and then make a wet batter here. It has liquid, one is straight powder. A little bit, you just want to add a little bit as you go. We need more water, a little at a time. Nice and stretched out, and then just place it right into your wet batter like this. Flip it on the other side, right into that dry batter. I'm going to take our sushi shell and put it right in that oil. Quinoa. I'm next going to go in with some cucumbers, and these cucumbers we slice them nice and thinly. Avocado. I'm going to now get some of that plant-based salmon. Of seaweed salad for garnish. A little bit of crispy fried onion.
I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your side now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave.